Good day, it's Mr. Toups. What a blast. We're having fun. This is Staar Review 1. We're going to do some more problems. This is the second part. Don't lose this paper. It will be due the first day of school next week. You'll submit it on Canvas, okay? Or if you're face-to-face, you will turn it into me. What a blast. Okay, we're about to do these problems. We're not going to do all of them. I'll set it up for you and we'll go from there, okay? Number 8. I really should not have to go over number 8, okay? So every ounce of Mystic Manly Man Cologne. Mystic Manly Man Cologne is what you need, guys. You be a big magnet with Mystic Manly Man Cologne. So every ounce costs $3.55. Complete the table. All you have to do is multiply $3.55 by these numbers. So I'm going to do the first two because I can calculate them in my brain. 0 times 355 is 0. Let me get a different ink here. Let me do black. And then 2 times 355, that would be $7.10. Just put 7.10. And then just multiply these numbers by 3.55 and put them here. That's all you got to do. Do that on your own. Let's go to number 9. The cost of a Sonic chicken meal deal. Mr. Toups likes Sonic. Wait till you see the Sonic commercials this year. Can be generated by the equation C equals 1.5x plus 3, where C is cost and x is the number of chicken strips. So this is our input and our output will be the cost. So this will be our domain, this will be the range. Find the cost of the meal with the number of chicken strips. So basically we're going to take this number, multiply it by $1.50 and add 3. Okay? So 2 times $1.50 would be $3 and 3 plus 3 would be 6, wouldn't it? Go with me. I'm going to take 4. Use your calculator. 1.5 times 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 would be 9. Mr. Toups comes with a built-in calculator. 6 times 1.5 would be 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 times 1.5 would be 18, would it? And 18 plus 3 is 21. Okay. Now then, we're going to go over here. Remember, this would be our x and this would be our y, right? The x is the input, the y is the price, okay? Or the c would be the price, which would be your y-axis or your range, wouldn't it? So our chicken strips is going to go here on the x-axis, and our price will go here. You want to label the axis when you do these. Now then, what would 0 chicken strips cost? If you didn't even buy any chicken strips, 0 times 1.5 is 0, plus 3 is 3. So this line will start off at 3, won't it? So I could put 3 right here, can't I? Let me do it in a different ink. The Surface tablet has more power. Okay, now then what's going to happen to this line? It's going to go up in it. Okay, the slope is 1.5, right? So this line is going to grow something like this. That's all you have to do, okay? Piece of cake. So I need to see the wider set. Oh! Uh-oh! I need to see the wider set and the growth of the line. Okay, let's go down to number 11. Fun stuff. The cost of a Sonic chocolate malt. Mr. Toups likes chocolate malts. Varies directly with the size. Varies directly. You may not have heard that. Underline that. That means it's proportional. Okay, in 6th grade it would say the cost of a Sonic malt is proportional with the size. This is a 6th grade math problem. They're just using varies directly. So Bubba Bob purchased a 12-ounce malt for $5.40. We have ounces and we have dollars, don't we? Jimmy John wants to get a 22-ounce malt. What will the cost of the malt be? So in this problem we have ounces and dollars, don't we? Remember doing that in 6th grade. And I'm going to make 2 fractions, right? So I have 12 ounces for $5.40. And then Jimmy John wants a 22-ounce malt, and we do not know what the price is going to be, do we? Now that this is 6th grade math, you're going to multiply and divide, right? I'm going to let you do that on your own. Get x equal whatever the number is, okay? Okay, you're going to see some stuff here of these papers. I use fictional characters. I made these up years ago. Bubba Bob and Jimmy John are cousins. They live in deep East Texas. And they like 2 girls named Emma Sue and Lucy Claire. Okay? So you will see those names over and over and over on these worksheets. So you got Bubba Bob, Jimmy John, Lucy Claire, and Emma Sue. Okay? So we're going to see the life of a of a freshman high school student in East Texas through these worksheets. Okay, on this problem right here, the table gives you the cost of Tinkerbell perfume. Oh, Tinkerbell perfume. Writing the equation gives you the y, the total cost of the sides given x. So what you want to do here is divide these and see if it's the same, okay? I'm going to let you do that on your own. Just take this and divide, okay? And you'll get the same answer every time, I'm assuming. Yes, you will. So you'll get the same answer every time, just divide. So you take 10.4, divide it by 4, 16.9 divided by 6.5, 18.2 divided by 7. That answer is going to go right here. That's going to be your constant of variation, okay? Because it's proportional. And lastly, number 13, helps out to make a t-chart. Is this a function? Remember, in a function, the x's can't repeat. So write down x's can't repeat. Now then, it's going to help out. So notice I have 2, 7, 10, 14, 25. None of the x's repeat, so this is a function. Now then, it helps out if you make a t-chart. 2 and 5, 7 and 15, 10 and 21, 14 and 29, 25 and 51. Okay? Okay, so it is a function because the x does not repeat. Now then, what are you multiplying these by to get to these? You can't multiply them by anything, but you can multiply and add, can't you? You can figure it out, okay? What if you double the numbers? If you double the x's, you get 4, 14, 20, 28, and 50. What do you notice about 4, 14, 20, 28, and 50? You gotta add, that's right, you gotta add one more, don't you? So I gotta multiply the x by 2 and add 1, don't I? So the equation would be 2x plus 1. And this is a lot easier to see this way than this way. So you'll get easier. You got to multiply and add or subtract. This would be your slope, that would be your y-intercept, wouldn't it? And tomorrow we will continue on the back. So now you've got almost the whole front page done, don't you? Don't lose this paper. You will submit it next week. We'll do the first few almost all together. Okay? Always believe